But tonight, we put our differences aside and celebrate at the Zootennial Gala, where the Linksley Journal will be on display for the first time in a century, following an infamous reptile attack. The Linksley Journal, containing the patented Weatherwall plans, was originally written by Ebenezer Linksley, bringing the whole...
Same catering company. The Linksley Journal.
Mr. Linksley, when will you begin the Tundra Town expansion?
Come on, Dad.
Have a wonderful time at the party.
The Howlett Gala as a venomous snake attacks the founding family.